human body. In first chapter, we know first anatomy and physiology. What is called anatomy and what is called physiology? Anatomy and physiology are two branches of science that help us to understand the various part of the body and their function. Various part like kidney, lungs, liver, heart, etc. Anatomy is a branch of biology which deal with the study of a structure of the body. A structure of the body is called anatomy. Anatomy has a subdivision like gross anatomy, comparative anatomy, surface anatomy, developmental anatomy, histology, radiographic anatomy. Now we know about what is called gross anatomy. Gross anatomy is a macroscopic structure of the body that can be seen with eye. Unaided eye. Microscopic structure means microscopic, which can be seen by the naked eye, which can be seen by the which can seen by easily is called macroscopic, which can be seen by the naked eye is called gross anatomy. In gross anatomy, it can be studied using either of the following two approaches. What is two approaches? Is systematic anatomy and regional anatomy. In systematic anatomy, we study of the different system of the body, like for example cardiovascular system, respiratory system. Cardio means, we think cardio word is come from the heart. Cardio means heart related to heart, and the respiratory is related to lungs. Now we see about the regional anatomy. Regional anatomy is the study of a specific region of the body, like chest, abdomen is called regional anatomy. Now we see about the comparative anatomy. What is called comparative anatomy? Comparative means compare of anything, like it's the study of similarity and the difference in the structure of the body part of the various species of the animal. Means in this comparative anatomy, we see of the various species of the animal, we see the similarity, which structure body part are the similar, and what are the difference, is called of this study we called comparative anatomy. Now we see surface anatomy. What is called surface anatomy? Surface anatomy is also called topographic anatomy. Topographic is this word is used for the parts. This is the study of deeper part of the body in relation of the skin surface. It helps in clinical practice and the surgical operation. Means in this surface anatomy means outer surface like skin. It is helpful in clinical practice and the surgical operation. Now we see about the developmental anatomy. Developments means improvement, developed. Anything which improved is called development. In this, or embryology means embryo, before birth, the development which developments occur is called embryology. Refer to the study of the development of animal body from one cell stage of the period of growth and development before birth means before birth, which developed, the period of the develop or growth is called developmental anatomy. Now we see about the histology. What is called histology? Histology is the study of minute structure of the body part that can only be seen with the aid of the microscope, and therefore it often called microscopic anatomy and microanatomy. Means histology means which cannot be seen by the naked eye. The things which used to see is microscopic, which cannot be seen, which are very small, which cannot be seen by the naked eye, is called microscopic. histology, the study of minute structure. Minute is means very small of the body part. Of the body part means body part that can only be seen with the aid of the microscopy, which can jo means anything which can be seen by the microscopic means that things are very small. Now we see about the radiographic anatomy. Radiographic anatomy is a study of deeper organ by the plane and contrast radiography and by the other imaging technique like CT scan, MRI. CT scan means computed tomography, MRI